the Big Shot. It's a Mega, and it's a Nerf. And if you guys can see there, it's and it says "End Strike" right there. That little symbol. And the thing that I like about this gun, it can hold a Mega Dart right here. And it has a little scope right here. That's the scope. You can look from the other side. See? Scope. So, you guys can pause it if you want to see the scope. It can't shoot one of these, the little one, and one of these could fit inside a Megadon. Watch. See, I am telling you, it fits right in soft, but don't put it inside because you won't be able to take it out. Like right now, that just happened to me. Oh, there you go. So, yeah, and it's a pretty good gun. It's kind of heavy, though. For a type of gun like this size, yeah, pretty heavy. So, I'm just going to show you guys. Okay, it does not work here. You're sitting on my dart. You're sitting on my dart. Thanks. I'm just going to show you, see? Right here. Little dart. I'm just going to take it. Yeah. Watch this. It's going to stay right there. Told you. So don't try that. That's going to make that destroy. Got inside, didn't work anymore. So I'm going to shoot about all the way to the next room. Can you move a little? So I'm going to try to shoot. I'm going to try to shoot over there. What are you doing?
I'm going to try to catch it.
Well, he's going to try to catch it.
Don't tip over the strawberry.
Okay. Wow, that was really, really fun.
Wait. I'm going to go.
I don't think you guys did. I hope you guys leave a comment because I don't think you guys saw the darts. You can go back. I'm going to try to shoot the darts again. Oh man. Turn off the camera. Sorry guys. Wait, oh. I'm going to try to use this light this time.
Hey, Johan. Got it.
Wow. I think you guys saw that. Definitely saw that. So that's the end of the.
Do you hear the air?
Oh yeah. By the. Thank you. Sorry. Yeah. It actually whistles. Like it literally whistles. So that's another thing that I like. So I think that's pretty much end. I'm gonna try to get some bigger ones because I like these mega ones. So see you later. Bye.